Hello everyone, it's Maile and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Hawaii Diaries. I'm really excited for today's activities. We have lots planned. Today is currently Wednesday and it's also my brother's birthday, so we're going to start off by celebrating him and just having some malasadas and desserts for breakfast. And then we're driving all the way to the other side of the Big Island to go to Hilo, where we were going to visit a bunch of family friends and family members and a bunch of people over there. It's going to be super fun. And we're also going to just see a couple other island locations over there and go around the town. And then I think that should be the rest of our day. Tomorrow is our last day here in Hawaii, but I thought I would start another portion of the video since I have so much content from this trip, guys. I don't know how many vlogs are going to come out of it, but anyways, yeah, let's get on with the rest of today. Make sure to follow my Pinterest and Instagram for more Hawaii content, and yeah. I also just kind of wanted to thank you guys for following along in this summer adventures that I've been having, and for just subscribing if you have. I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel. It's been something I've wanted to do since I was very young. I loved video editing, and ever since I posted my first official video here on this channel, I feel so just happy to have this place to share my videos, to make videos. It's a great space for me to post content and explore creativity, and I feel like video editing is another art form for me, and I really enjoy it. I really enjoy finding the beauty in every day and finding the beauty with my camera and just being able to take videos and shoot content of pretty things in my life. And it's really exciting to finally have a place to post this stuff and actually share it with the world. And it's also a great place for me to keep videos and memories for many years to come. And yeah, I just want to thank you guys for following along. If you're subscribed, thank you so much. And I'm just really happy to finally have started this channel. I'm very proud of myself for finally making the move and posting the first video. And once I did it, it feels very good and happy to actually have this place to just share a little bit of my art with you guys.
too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground.
Guys, we're all the way up on the top of this waterfall. Like, there's people all the way down there below. We are so far up. We hiked this entire way.
You in my life, feel a mile high when you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night.
One of the prettiest sunsets of my life. Today is Thursday and it is sadly our last day here in Hawaii. I wasn't able to vlog this morning, but you probably saw that we went open water swimming. It was super fun. We just went with literally me and my dad and my brothers, so we were kind of on our own, just following the buoys all the way. to the certain turnaround point, and it was really awesome. There was a pretty sunrise on the ocean, and it was really nice warm waters, and we saw a bunch of little fish in the water. And then after that we went and got acai bowls and just walked around Kona town a lot and just checked out the different stores. And we visited a family member and just checked out her house and got to see her. And then we are back at the house now. We are just chatting with family and eating lunch and stuff. I'm not sure if we're going to do anything else for the rest of today, but we might just pack up and head out, but I'm not quite sure. Anyways, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching these videos and following along with me on this Hawaii adventures the last couple weeks. I'm really excited that you guys have been patient with me getting these vlogs out. They're a lot of work to do, even though right here currently that I'm filming this clip right now, I have not actually edited any of the videos yet, but I just know that there's going to be a lot of work to edit all of this content. But thank you so much for watching if you stayed and watched all of the vlogs, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content, and follow me on Pinterest and Instagram to see more content from this trip. I took a lot of photos and a lot of little videos, so you can definitely check out my other social media platforms if you want to see more of the Hawaii content. But yeah, thank you so much for following along, and we will see where the rest of today takes us. Couple minutes until we're gonna head to the airport and say goodbye to Hawaii. I'm very sad to leave, but this trip has been so awesome, and we are celebrating our last night with a beautiful sunset, and it's also 4th of July, so maybe we'll see some fireworks. Back at these videos, I know they will become memories I hold on to forever. In the midst of chilly winter nights and exam seasons, I know I will rewatch these videos and hopefully feel a touch of that dreamy Hawaiian sun. This trip taught me so much about how vast and beautiful God's creation is. From the top of the mountains to the depths of the sea, God has designed every little thing, and I am so thankful I get to admire His work every day. Swimming with manta rays and diving with the schools of kole fish, splashing in waterfalls and kayaking across the sea, I am forever grateful I was able to experience it all. This island will always hold a special place in my heart. I will never forget this tropical oasis and the people I love who call this place home. So Hawaii, ahui ho, until we meet again.